How to fix Facebook unknown error on your Facebook account. Today guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. First you will just open the settings of your phone. Then when it's opening, what you should do right now guys, just you will go directly to apps, and on apps you will scroll down and you will go to Facebook. And on Facebook guys, you will go to storage and go to clear data. Click on clear data, then click OK, and now your problem will fixed. So that's it guys, I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like, also subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.